I've been told by my alien pals up there that the first clue is in the microwave. I'm baffled by that one. Anyway, I put a special application on your phone. Now you just have to point your camera at the special code in the microwave and our treasure hunt can begin. Good luck. Bye.